Hello and thank you so much for dropping by my learning centre. My name is Carl Pauline and I'm a time management and productivity specialist. Now, how should you use this course? Which courses should you take? Well, I'm going to highly recommend that you take my COD course first. COD stands for Collect, Organise and Do, and it is the basic fundamentals of any productivity system. Because if you're not collecting what you need to collect, if you're not organising that and you're not doing the work, then you have no system. No matter how elaborate or how wonderful the application you've just bought yourself is, you need those foundations. You need that built and solid in the ground. That is why my COD course is completely free. It'll take you about 40 minutes to take the course, but whatever level you are at, I strongly recommend you start at my COD course. Then what? What next? Well, that now depends on what you actually want to accomplish. Now, if you're looking for the complete time management and productivity system, then I'm going to recommend that you take Your Digital Life 3.0. This is the complete course. This course is going to show you how to build your time management system, your task management system, how you to use your cloud services, how to build in your goals, and how to manage your email. It is the complete course. Now, part of this course, you get a free copy of my Your Digital Life book. You also get a full comprehensive downloadable PDF workbook. You also get free access to my goals course as well as my email course. So you get the complete package with Your Digital Life 3.0. But what happens if you're looking to do a complete life transformation? Well, for that you need time and life mastery. This course is amazing. This course will start you off by asking you a series of questions and gets you to really identify what it is you want to achieve this year, in 5 years, in 10 years, and also the purpose for your life. It's hard to do that, but it's an essential part of getting clarity about what it is you want. Once you've established that, we create the goals and the system around that. And the second part of that course is the time mastery, where you build everything that you want to accomplish into your daily life. Because at the end of the day, success is simply about taking small little steps every single day that's taking you from where you are today to where you need to be in the future. And that's what Time and Life Mastery course is all about. Now, what happens if you've already developed a good working productivity system, but you want to refine it, you want to get it even better than what you have at the moment? Well, in that case, I'm going to recommend my Productivity Masterclass course, because that's talking about taking you from where you are today to building workflows into your life that's going to make your daily activities seamless. But at the same time, what's happening is you're moving yourself forward every day on the things that you've identified are important to you in your life. And what happens then if you're more just interested in how to develop goals? Well, start taking some of the individual courses. Of course, they're a lot cheaper, but you can take the time sector course, which is going to show you how to build the time sector system. You can take my Ultimate Goal Planning course, which is going to help you to develop your goals. If you're only interested in getting control of your email, then take the Productivity Mastery course. So you can choose between full packages, such as Your Digital Life 3.0, which is the digital productivity and time management system, or Time and Life Mastery, which is going to give you a complete life transformational experience. Or you can just go to the next level of productivity by building workflows with my Productivity Masterclass. Now, one more course that I have in here, which is if you are an absolute complete beginner and everything around you is a complete mess, your digital files are a mess, your paper files are a mess, then I would recommend taking From Disorganized to Productivity Mastery in 3 days. That's a 3-day course. Now, it doesn't mean that you're going to be sat in front of a computer for 3 days. What it means is you're going to take a step forward each day to getting yourself organized and building systems in place so that you stay organized. So there's a course for everyone here. So if you're interested in building a complete digital system, that's Your Digital Life 3.0, a life transformational system, that's Time and Life Mastery, or if you're more interested in just individual components like the time sector system or the email productivity mastery, or indeed you're just interested in developing your goals, there is a course for you. So have a look around. Feel free to get in touch with me at any time. You can email me carl@carlpolleen.com and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. And once again, I just want to say thank you so much for joining my Learning Centre. I'm sure you won't be disappointed, and I am here to genuinely help you to become better organised and more productive. Enjoy your time with my courses.